Hey, Scott Murray here with Level 5 Tools. I wanted to ask you today about our VIP program. Are you a member? If not, you're going to want to sign up on the link below. The VIPs was created to give you early access and inside information to what Level 5 is doing. Not only are you going to get sneak peeks at a constant stream of innovation that we've got, you already know about our welded knives, best on earth. Not even going to talk about that. Some really cool stuff coming out. We're constantly designing products that are finisher first, finisher driven, and are tested worldwide. So you'll want to be a part of that program. The other thing we do is monthly tool giveaways. Every month we select a VIP member and we're giving free stuff away. We want to keep you engaged. Second thing is we do flash sales. Flash sales could be we may have overstock on an item, or we just may want to reward our VIPs with a special sale. You'll get access to those where no one else on earth is. The third thing is going to be Black Friday. You know it's a mad time of year. There's tons of great deals out there, and Level 5 and DeWalt Drywall Tools are no different. We're going to give you some fantastic deals. All our VIPs are going to get early access to those deals before the general public. Click that link below and sign up. I promise you, we're not going to bomb you with meaningless emails related to being a VIP member. We're just going to make sure you get valuable information and deals that are going to help you get the tools you need to do your jobs easier. We appreciate the trust you give in Level 5. I take that seriously, and we're going to continue to exceed your expectations. Join the VIP today. Welcome to the Red Zone.